Now, in a big success for Indian security forces, two overground workers of banned Jaish-e-Mohammed outfit have been arrested in Tral. The arrests come at a time when the Amarnath Yatra is ongoing in Kashmir. The arrest took place in the Wagar village of Tral in Pulwama district. As per the police statement, arms, grenades and other incriminating material were also recovered from the terrorists, who have been identified as Umar Muhuddin Bhatt and Shakil Ahmed Sheikh. Officials said that both the arrested terror associates were involved in providing logistics support as well as transportation of arms as well as ammunition to active terrorists of prescribed terror outfit Jaish-e-Mohammed, and this was in the area of Tral and Avantipura of district Pulwama. The arrest took place just 12 kilometers away from National Highway that is being used by the Amarnath pilgrims moving from Anantnag to Srinagar and then to the Baltal base camp. It was on Friday that another batch of 6,411 pilgrims left Jammu, and this amid tight security arrangements to perform pilgrimage to the Amarnath shrine. More than 12,000 yatris had darshan inside the holy cave shrine on Thursday, that is the first day of the 38-day-long Amarnath Yatra. And our special correspondent Idris has sent us this ground report. Take a look.
Jammu and Kashmir Police, along with the Central Reserve Police Force, today arrested two over-the-ground workers in South Kashmir's Tral area. There was a checkpoint that was put up by Jammu and Kashmir Police and the CRPF in Tral area, after which two over-the-ground workers were arrested by security forces along with the arms and ammunition. After the start of Amarnath Yatra, we've seen huge deployment of security forces on the ground at every nook and corner. Over 90,000 security personnel are guarding the Amarnath Yatra, and as you can see in your visuals, there are barricades that have been put across at every nook and corner in Srinagar city as well as in different parts of the Kashmir division from where the Amarnath route is. Security does remain one of the major concerns. We've seen for the Muharram Eid procession also there was a three-tier security system that was put in place by the agencies for that in Srinagar city as well. Meanwhile, more than 12,000 yatris did the yatra yesterday, while as the same number of yatris is expected to take on the journey today. From both the base camps, the yatris left towards the Amarnath cave for the second consecutive day. With video journalist Firoz, Idris Lone, for WION World is One.